Yo, guys, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Tell me if y'all don't agree with this. This is crazy. Just FYI, this happened in California, and they did catch the guy.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Sure.
So who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about AB Fuel. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right.
Warning, warning, crazy alert, crazy alert, crazy alert, crazy alert.
No telling what he did before they arrested him, right, guys? Wow. He is one crazy dude. Just look at him. I mean, he scares me just to look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Thank God they caught him. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there. Don't open your doors to strangers.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run.